So here's a KeySmart smart card. It's a card that helps you track your wallet. It is wireless when it comes to charging. I did get the color black, and it also works with Apple Find My. So here are the steps. It's 3-step, and of course charge before use. It is wireless, so any wireless charging pad will work. It's very slim. So if you want to add an item, you go to Find My on your iPhone. Go to Items, add another item. You press the button on the key card. It does make a noise. It has a little jingle. And then once this comes up, you connect. Enter the name. I'm gonna put wallet. Let's see if they have. Okay. So it links to your Apple account. There it is.